I'll show you a quick way to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store on Windows 10 and 11. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more. First, let's remove the Microsoft Store. Open PowerShell as an administrator. If the user account control pops up, click Yes. Now, run this command on your screen. You will find it on the description. This will remove Microsoft Store from all users on your PC. After it's done, you'll notice the app disappears from the taskbar and searching for it won't work. That means it's gone. To reinstall it, open PowerShell as administrator again, and run the next command on your screen. Also, you will find it on the description. This command will restore Microsoft Store to all users by fetching the installation files again. Once it finishes, just search for Microsoft Store, and boom, it's back and ready to use. And that's it! A quick way to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store on Windows 10 and 11. If this helped you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.